Learning English effectively involves building skills in 4 main areas: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Here's a step-by-step guide tailored to different levels and goals. 1. Set clear goals. Beginners. I want to introduce myself and have basic conversation. Intermediate. I want to understand movies and read article. Advanced. I want to write essays or give presentation in English. 2. Build your vocabulary. Use apps like Duolingo, memorize, Quizlet. Keep a notebook or a digital list of new words and review them daily. 3. Practice listening. Watch English shows, movies, or YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks at your level. Try BBC Learning English, Voice of America. 4. Practice writing. Start a daily journal in English. Try writing emails, social media posts, and short stories. Use looks like Grammarly to correct your writing. Thank you.